It's out. John Gates transfer case, unbox, because I call out everything I do. Definitely feels heavier than I remember. Look at that. 416 gears. Let's look at the transmission. Oh, here we go. Transfer case mounts to replace that stupid plastic bullshit. New bolts for the transfer case, and then included brass shifter sheet. Fully rebuilt, remanufactured OEM transmission. That's pretty good. Thanks, John. Includes nice little touches like the OEM timing cover that I'm not going to use. Rubber, not plastic. Nice. Yeah, buddy.
I don't know what it is, but it's pretty color.
What color do you think it is?
Blue?
No.
Purple.
Lavender, I would say.
Isn't lavender,
Actually, no.
Isn't lavender purple?
It is, but it is purple. It's not actually lavender. It's what's it called?
It looks like a light blue.
No, it's light purple.
It looks like light blue, maybe pink.
Can you see okay?
No.
What you're doing, not the screen.
No.
Are you just saying that because you're colorblind?
I hate you.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Look, got that little curve to the end. It's just like me.
Yeah.
Got it on the axle.
Yeah. Why didn't we cut this dumb tailpipe?
Sweet. It's a little rough, huh? Sorry that they used the wrong bolts. Okay, so now the problem we've run into is that the shop, while making mounts to put on an engine stand, they've used the wrong size bolts. They've used, what was it?
3/8 24 bolts.
3/8. They put a 3/8 bolt in there with 24 thread pitch. Math numbers. The actual bolt size is an M10 with 1.25 thread pitch.
You know, because Japanese vehicle, why wouldn't it be metric? Why would they put an SAE bolt on this engine?
So now we can't actually put the motor mounts on the engine.
We can, they're just not going to be as secure as
And
they
if we
should
did, they wouldn't be secure.
Those threads are compromised in my opinion.
Meaning we have to contact the shop to get them to somehow fix this problem. So for now, we're stuck in our progress. Damn, that pisses me off.
That's something else.
I mean, whose decision was it to just go?
Well, it probably wasn't someone's decision. It was someone not thinking or grabbing the wrong bolts, or possibly some new guy who, didn't think or didn't know, grabbed the wrong bolts and just jammed them on in there.
So that's the actual thread pitch that's on the bolt that they put in there. And you can see this bolt, you can't even actually fit in the threads at all. So they f***ed my engine block in the motor mount department. We'll see what happens later.